Hi people, this is Nitty again. Okay, I wanted to talk about a conversation me and my son had. He was telling me why was I doing constantly videos on plants and things like that, and that why don't I try some other, how you call it, subject. I'm not a comedian, so I ain't gonna do that. Um, how do you call it? So what I decided to do, and I told them, look, the reason why I do plants is because that's survival. If anything happens here in Puerto Rico, we got mangoes, we got soursop, we got bananas, plantain, and we growing a lot of things. Right here, this is I put the name of it. I know that it's Cereza, but this is the sweet one. And everybody tells me how come it's sweet. They most of the ones that they have tasted is always um where is it? Okay, right there. Right there. Okay. So it tells me that they always sew it sour. They make a candy out of it, like it tastes good though. They put sugar and I don't know what they do to it, but it tastes good. But this one don't need no sugar because this one is sweet. My granddaughter came. She took some. She loved it. Now she wants to go every day and see what she could find. I tell her, don't take them green. Take them always red. So make sure that the product is done right. So so they tell me. He tells me, there are other things you could do that they generate better, better views and this and that. But I'm not doing it for the views, you know, even though it's very hard, because I was monetized and I was demonetized at the wrong time because, we had Maria at that time. And I haven't gotten back on my feet again. But either way, I'm doing this because I seen videos where a lot of people says they going through bad times, you know. Like for instance, I was watching a video which broke my heart. It was from Venezuela. They had a mango tree, and everybody around, but they would take from there. And the thing is that they take from there, but it's only one plant, one tree, and that they have seasons. You know, this year we got a little lucky because it has came super early. We don't take from the one next to my house because we have opened it and it has like a lot of black spots. I don't trust that. But we do take from this side over here. That tree there is a mango tree, and it's a delicious sweet tree. It's my cousin's, you know. And when they fall on the floor, we pick them up and we eat them. A lot of people do that. They come around here, to see what's going on and see if they could eat some of it, and they do. He don't say nothing because it's gonna be wasted there on the floor, and that's the street where the cars pass by. It's just gonna squash it. So it's better for somebody to use it. Take them. So they do that. The family goes and pick up they get a bag and they pick them up. So the lady from Venezuela had only one tree. And what came to my mind is, why just one tree? It has a seed. Why not plant it? And if they could grow that, if you make a lot of them, then everybody has for a lot of time. They use this, they are using it for, how you call it? They will make juice out of it, and instead of the babies drink milk, they were drinking that because there's a part of Venezuela that is very poor, and this breaks my heart, because why can't the government, help out? You know, you take how you call it, a tomato, you cut it, and you could get. I did that. I planted a whole bunch of them, and it came out to 30 plants. Of course, I can't have 30 plants. If I was walking, I could use the other land over there. You know, it's my cousin's, but she told me if you want to plant, as long as it's not big trees and stuff, you could plant there too. But the problem is that I'm in a wheelchair, so I can't do it. I do have like some bananas there that, either my uncle or my husband, they cut, clean it out and everything. I have it. I have the, how you call it, the plantain. I have it in my raised bed, and it has over there in the raised bed. There's 6 of them. I gave one away, so now there's 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm right. Not that I'm trying to think that how much is 6 take away 1. I'm thinking, is there true that there is the amount that I'm thinking of? So it is. Yeah, it is. There's 3 small ones, and 1 big and 1 medium. So they enjoying the what I'm doing to them, but I just do it because I figured, maybe the people get the idea that if they have rain or they have water, and you could plant anywhere, here in Puerto Rico, anything you drop in the floor, it grows, at least in the countryside. And, I just want people to learn how to do this, and how to see that you don't need a giant space or anything like that. I got tons and tons of plants right there. I got it up there too, So, and I got the other side that I would do that. I'm going to make a video on that to show you all the things that I have brand new. So, people, this is why I do this, Puerto Rico is blessed with a lot of fruits and vegetables and all that stuff. Back there they got yame. I don't know how you say. I think that's how they call it in English too. Yam or something like that. We got tamarind. Tamarind. Yeah, it is that. Okay, we got the sour one there, but my daughter gave my son the sweet one. I didn't know there were sweet ones in my life. I never tasted it. But when he left, so he gave it back to her because he didn't get to use it, a lot. So I tasted him and I said, this is sweet. I think it's from Panama, And then I'm originally from Puerto Rico. So I'm going to use the seeds to plant them. Sweet tamarind. And that, nobody has that. I also have tried to bring more flowers. I have this big flower right here, a big giant one. And every time they're going to clean, I say, don't touch this plant. I also have down there, I don't know if you could, oh my God, I have to move all this to get it done because it's very small. But I have more. The plant is starting to grow again. How you call that? The Cuban oregano is starting to grow. Plus, I got oregano over here. That's what I want people to learn, that you could grow anything, in a little pot. And if this little pot, you could get a bigger one. You get a bigger one and put this one on top of that one. Like I have my, how you call it? My avocados. So people, that's my main reason why I don't change the subject of my plants. Because if I try to do something else, I'm not going to be happy. This is what makes me happy. This is what took me out of the depression when I got my sepsis, And I love them. And everybody already knows that you can't mess with my plants. Or else I'll throw them out. So then I'm taking care of some of my mother's. As that one. I got a few of them, but I want to do that in another video. So God bless you. Until next time. Bye-bye.